So let me talk about my Ishi collection. Ishi collection is a very fun, very wearable, very affordable collection. So it is made out of simple tops, simple skirts, hot pants, trousers. You can wear it in your office, you can wear it on Brigade Road, you can probably even wear it in a party if you want to keep it simple. So Ishi collection is for those young adults who want to have a little fun, who want to portray themselves as comfortable. They don't have to worry too much about the maintenance of the fabric. It is mostly all sustainable fabrics. We primarily use a lot of cottons and a few linens as well. And in terms of the comfort, sometimes we do use viscose fabrics, which are very comfortable, and the maintenance is almost zilch. So Ishi collection is a lot of fun prints, vibrant colors, contrasting colors, the most trendy outfits, what happens in the market today. So you are ahead of the trend, ahead of the curve. So that's what Ishi is all about. It's fun, it's affordable, it's wearable anywhere, it's easy maintenance. So that's what Ishi is all about. Now coming to collection A. Collection A, I said, is a very runway collection between a Preth and high fashion. Although it is extremely wearable, it is still fun, and with me it comes to a lot of vibrant colors. I love colors. I love to go wild with colors. So it's a lot of fun tops and few comfortable wear. But I primarily use a lot of silk fabrics in this. So definitely maintenance is left to the wearer. But it's a lot of skirts, it's a lot of gowns, and it's a few tops. So the collection is called Peekaboo. So what does Peekaboo mean? Peekaboo basically means showing a little and hiding a little. That's where all the fun is all about. So with collection A, what I have done is I have used fabrics like georgette, chiffons, crepes in a lot of wild colors, and I've used a lot of solid colors in this collection, not too many prints, where I've used georgette to show a little bit of translucency, a little bit of skin where all women wouldn't really mind showing, and I've covered the right areas of the skin where it might become a taboo. So it is fun, it's enjoyable, and you can wear it anywhere. You can wear it to your office, probably under a blazer, without a blazer. You want to wear it to the beach, you want to wear it to the market. It's left to you. End of the day, it's all about having a lot of fun and being a little extroverted. I would say the right kind of client for collection A is the fun and extroverted girls, the young girls, who want to be there, who want to be fun, and who want to be trendy, and who want to be noticed. Collection B is probably where I shift a little towards the best finishes, the best fabrics. I even do a little bit of prints. I develop my own prints. I get them printed on my fabrics. Again, I use silk fabrics here also. And these are primarily dresses, blazers, and a few gowns. Then they wouldn't be exactly affordable. I would call it, they would come under the Preth to high fashion departments, where only a select few would love to wear them. These are fun dresses where they are patterned differently, and they also have a lot of different prints. My latest collection is called the Crow, the Sparrow, and the Dragonfly Herald. So it talks about the prints and the cuts. Talk about how these three birds and insects, which I've been used to seeing as a childhood in the old Bangalore. And due to the urban development in Bangalore, we don't see them anymore. So that is the concept of the creation. It has a lot of muted pinks. It has some few wild yellows, a lot of whites, and a bit of orange as well. And it's also got a bit of lace, some little surface developments. Sometimes 3 or 4 fabrics mixed together to give it a little wilder feel. And it can be worn for a party, it can be worn for an office, definitely not completely formal, but I would say a semi-formal. If you're the boss and you want to show off a different jacket other than the usual blacks, greys and browns, I think collection B is what you need to wear. Definitely, I'm sure a lot of women would love my collection B. Collection C. Now these are artistic garments. We call these artistic garments as avant-garde. So avant-garde are garments which are termed as experimental garments, might not be completely wearable, but they are garments where new ideas come into place. Maybe you can wear them, maybe you will not be able to wear them. But with that and further development, new ideas can always be developed. That's what avant-garde is all about. It's all about costumey garments. So collection C, I've got two collections. One is called Cirque du Folly, which basically means the Circus of Madness, or probably a circus asylum. And my second collection is called Be My Friend, which talks about femme fatale. Beautiful women can be dangerous too. So in this collection, I've made a lot of gowns, a few dresses, some trousers, where I have really experimented with the patterns a lot. I've twisted the patterns, I've turned the patterns, I've cut the patterns where I can, and yet try to maintain a particular shape or achieve a particular silhouette.